Today is the day. In fact, we're just hours away. 1 hour, 57 minutes, 43 seconds. I can't wait. And I'm looking at your cameras here. Things are
as we speak, things are changing, and that's a good thing, changing for the better out there. About an hour or so ago, I was thinking, maybe not so much. Now it looks a lot better out there. Even the higher clouds starting to thin out a little bit. Those low clouds that you couldn't even see Cedar Hill earlier this morning, looking a lot better now. So those low clouds are beginning to erode away. So that is the good news. You see a lot more blue sky than what we had out there a little bit earlier. So yes, we are looking a little more optimistic about things as we head toward the eclipse. Counting down to that 71 degrees out in Cedar Hill. Looks a lot better as well. It was kind of gray as you take you out to Dallas Baptist University, but things improving there as well. So where we have 74. So things looking a little bit better now. We do have the higher clouds. So those starting to thin out. Those low clouds still going to be hanging in, I think, a little farther south. So maybe not the best viewing in our southern counties as we get south of I-20 here as we go through the day, but things do get a lot better. We've been talking about that storm chance. Now that's going to hold off until after. So there will be a window of a couple of maybe 3 hours before those storms fire up. So those who are going to be on the roads, maybe traveling, or who have been out camping, definitely keep that in mind because those storm chances do increase, and we are talking about severe storms that will be possible sometime after 4 o'clock, heading toward 8 o'clock tonight. Widespread rain and thunderstorms, and that continues on into this evening. So let's talk more in detail about what we can expect storm-wise. Here's what it looks like around 7 o'clock. Mainly in our southern counties, I think we will have the locally heavy rain. The strong severe storms will be possible as well, but a few more of those will creep northward, getting closer to the metroplex as we head into this evening. Still the better chance for the widespread storms will be in our southeastern counties. So that severe weather threat really ramps up as we head toward 10 p.m. So not everyone seeing rain and storms, and certainly not everyone seeing severe weather, but this will be just the beginning of what will be several rounds of strong, potentially severe storms. That continues into the overnight. There will be some scattered storms around as we head towards 7 a.m. tomorrow. So this is how things look, but we're going to be focusing our attention out to our west as we head after sunrise for tomorrow. That next round of thunderstorms working its way in. This one will have that potential for some severe weather as well. So this is around 10 a.m. or so. This is how it looks now with the widespread rain. We'll have that wind, hail, locally heavy rain threat, and still a lower end tornado threat as well as we go through the day on Tuesday. So yes, that severe potential going to be here, not just today, tomorrow. That continues even into the middle of the week. So you see around 10 p.m. on Tuesday, kind of tapers off a little bit, but we'll have at least another round or so of some showers and thunderstorms moving in on Wednesday. Although the severe weather threat shifts a little farther east, and it should be lower on Wednesday, but we'll still have some storms around, and this is around midday on Wednesday. So just be prepared. Stay weather aware. Make sure you have a way to get the severe weather updates that we will have. Speaking of updates, you can see that enhanced risk. It has been stretched now from Dallas and Fort Worth all the way out into our southeastern counties. This is this evening and tonight, so we'll get an update on this map for you. So we are talking about level 3 with that severe weather threat. The large hail, the damaging wind, and that tornado threat as well will be with us this evening and tonight. And as we head on into tomorrow, you see that slight risk that does include Fort Worth and Dallas, and that enhanced risk pushes a little farther south and east. And then in our eastern counties, still that marginal risk even as we head on into Wednesday. All right, and as far as the severe weather threat is concerned, we'll have that we just talked about. So all modes of severe weather will be possible, but also the flooding potential across the area. So there's the flood watch that goes into effect this evening right through Wednesday morning. Anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain we're talking about, but some locally higher amounts of rain as well. So watch out for the flooding in addition to the severe weather that we could see across the area. So here's that 14-day forecast for you. We're looking at the rain and storms right through Wednesday, and then by Thursday and Friday things do settle down. The sunshine is back with us. We'll be in the lower 80s over the weekend before more storm chances do return as we head into the first of next week.